welcome to level 2, volume of a rectangular base prism. This just looks like a rectangle. I'm going to use my arrow keys to rotate it a little bit. So you can use your up arrow key, your down arrow key, and on the keyboard you have a third one, which controls this direction. The up, this one controls forward and backward, and this one left and right. We have 3 axes of rotation. I like just to use the arrow keys, and I'll just rotate it like that, and you can rotate it any which way you like. You can highlight the edges, you can do transparent, you can do transparent with highlighted edges, or you can do wireframe. You can make it bigger by walking towards it. So I'm hitting the W key on my keyboard. If you hit the A, it rotates the camera towards the left. You hit the D, it rotates the camera towards the right. If you hit T, it brings the camera up. If you press G, it brings the camera down. These arrow keys control the camera. These ones control the shape. We want to find the volume of it. I'm just going to rotate it like this. I'm going to call this my length, that my width or depth. This is going to be my height. Length, width, and height. And then I'm going to figure out, because it's volume, the area of the base, and then the volume. Now remember, the volume is the area of the base times the height. The length is 1.26. The width is 6.03. The height is 3.58. The area of the base is length times width. So equals, click on the length number times the width number. That's the area of the base. Volume is the area of the base times the height. It's 27.200124 decameters cubed, because remember, volume is units cubed. Paste that in, space decameters, DAM, and then hit the Q button like that, and then press enter to check to see if you're right. Yay. Here's another one, solid, and maybe this time I'm going to change the faces to a nice color, maybe a nice orange color like that. The red is maybe a bit hard to see, so I'm going to go and change the labels to maybe a green. So here's green, it's a bit bright. I can make it a bit darker, so a dark green. I can also make the writing larger or smaller. We have the length, the width, we have height, the area of the base, and the volume is area of the base times the height. The length is 7.04 centimeters. The width is 2.17. The height is 7.83. The area of the base is the length times the width. The volume is the area of the base times the height, which is 119.617344 decameters cubed. So I'm going to copy that, paste it over here, put a space, put a decameters, and put a cubed. And there's your answer. You press return to check to see if you're right. Okay, so these are all the different things that you can do. That's how you find volume. And that's it for level 2. Have a good day.